After getting the machine, first add water. Here are the water inlet, overflow, and drain ports. Open the overflow when adding water. Use purified or distilled water only. When water flows steadily from the overflow, it's full. Step 2. Install the handpieces. Insert and gently shake to fix them. Don't mix up the left and right. Step 3. Connect the power. On the screen, choose the 808 laser hair removal system. There are 3 modes. Use the middle one for normal work. Main settings: energy, pulse width, and frequency. Energy goes with pulse width. Just adjust energy. Use 10 to 15 energy. Max is 150. No need that high. Big areas arms, legs use 5 frequency. Small areas armpit, bikini use 2 to 3. Shave hair and apply gel before treatment. Press ready to start cooling. Start low energy, raise slowly by client feeling. Keep handpiece closed, move slowly or in circles, go over each spot 15 times. Ask if it's comfortable, raise energy if fine. Higher energy equals better results, longer time equals better effect, but stay within comfort. Next, Mico laser operation. Mico has 532, 1064, and 755 1,320ths of a nanometer heads. 532 for color tattoos, 1064 for dark tattoos, 1320 for carbon facial. Start from low energy, frequency 2 to 3. Keep tip near skin, move to 2 to 3 centimeters each pass. A crisp pop means correct distance. Use 0.6 to 1.0 energy. Adjust for comfort. That's the setup and basic operation.